Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am, of course, in my classroom. I'm trying to get some lesson plan done because I have not finished those, and I wanted to transfer my dramatic play area over here. So this is dramatic play, and I wanted to get it all ready for like Valentine's Day, and I really wanted to do like a post office dramatic play area. So I have some boxes here that I brought with me, and I'm just gonna put those together in there, and then I'm gonna print out the signs. But the first thing I need to do is my lesson plans, because I need to know what I'm doing first of all, and they have to be turned full. I already got to send them in, so I need to get those done so I can send them in. Today is Sunday, and I think you will see this video on a Sunday. So this is my weekly Sunday classroom reset. I do this just about every Sunday. I come up here and I spend a couple of hours and I do as much as I can, and then whatever I don't get done, I'll try. Most times I'll just stay after school on like a Monday, or it depends on what's going on, and I'll get it done. Or sometimes during center time I will be like doing the things that I need to do, and I can have the kids like help me as well. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started.
I've been cynical, oh so cynical. Never thought somebody could save me from another fall, from another scar. But I'm all healed up, standing steady. I couldn't see colors, it was all in gray, till you showed me every shade. Now I feel like summer on a nothing left in my way. So if I ever lose my mind, I'll be fine, cause you're my silver lining. And if my world comes crashing down, I'll be fine, cause you're my...
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anybody who may be new. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, and I also do videos within my classroom. I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you push that subscribe button. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I just thank you for supporting me.
I don't care where we go, don't care what we do, as long as you're with me and I'm with you. I couldn't see colors, it was all in gray, till you showed me every shade. Now I feel like summer on a rainy day, like there's nothing left in my way. So if I ever lose my mind, I'll be fine, cause you're my silver lining. And if my world comes crashing down, I'll be fine, cause you're my...
So I'm just trying to finish up some lesson plans. I actually set a timer so I wouldn't go too long on doing lesson plans. Sometimes I can get a little carried away with looking up stuff and figuring out more things to do and changing it. So I just kind of wanted to like get it done within 15 minutes, get it printed off, get it sent off to who needs to be sent off to, and just get it all ready to go for Monday. And also the next thing I wanted to do was my dramatic play area, which I talked about earlier. So I just wanted to hurry up and get all this part done so I can move on to the next thing.
I'll be fine, cause you're my silver lining. And if my world comes crashing down, I'll be fine, cause you're my silver lining. I'll be fine, cause you're my silver lining. I'll be fine, cause you're
So I was trying to find a sign for my dramatic play that said the post office, and it gave like the little things for the post office, but everything I could find, it costs money on Teacher Pay Teacher. So at first I was just going to try, or not at first, but the next thing I was going to try was just make it on my own, and I just knew I wasn't going to have enough time to do all that, so I just ended up not doing that. I just didn't want to have to pay for it this time. I know that sounds really bad, but I promised myself that this school year I was not going to go overboard and just buy everything on Teacher Pay Teacher, because if I do, like, I spend hundreds of dollars if I do that. So I just decided that I really didn't need it. It's just something that I wanted, so I didn't get it. And I will say, I do buy things on Teacher Pay Teacher, especially if I just need it for a lesson or whatever, I will buy it. But because something that I just wanted and I didn't have to have, I decided not to get it.
'Cause baby, all I've cried out tears of joy. Boy, you must think I'm hurt. Thought I was under your spell, but looking back, I was cursed. You left me to drown and sail away under the bridge. When you take a look at me, you only see what you wanna see.
So what was in our sensory band was snow, our homemade snow that we made for science one day. And then the little other things that you saw were flowers that I put in there because some of the students picked them for me during playtime. So I just put them in our sensory band. And so I'm just going to get it all cleaned up so I can get it ready for the next sensory center for this coming up week.
But don't take credit for these red eyes, 'cause baby, all I've cried out tears of joy. Yeah. 'Cause baby, all I've cried out tears of joy. I complicate things, one of my many skills. I'm making things up, all in my mind, 'cause I analyze their body language. I hear every change in their tone. Maybe they hate me, somehow I blame me. My mama said.
So most of the stuff is what I got at the end of Valentine's Day last year, and I just got on clearance, and so I'm just trying to get everything together, other things that I want to put out in my kitchen center and then in the dramatic play center. So I ended up just putting those boxes in there, and then I have some other boxes you'll see in a little bit that I put in there, and I didn't put a sign up, didn't tell them anything, but the kids have been going to that center and like playing with those boxes and like doing different things with the boxes, and I just think it's so funny. Like they just like they come up with their own games, so sometimes you don't have to have the cute signs and all that stuff to make the center fun. They will use their imagination and come up with what they want the center to be.
Got no invitation last night. I analyze their body language. I hear every change in their tone. Maybe they hate me, somehow I blame me. My mama said that's just the weight of the world. It's not personal, it's just how it works. Don't be angry for
Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. I did as much as I could today. I stayed here for 2 hours. When I come on Monday, which is tomorrow, I just have to make a few copies of things that I got ready. And then I pretty much have everything ready. I printed off my lesson plan, did everything I need to do with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. I do videos in my classroom and also videos at home cleaning. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you push that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.